What is happening? She's been like this for like 5 minutes. I love how her head like turns. Like, what is she doing? Look at her head. It's amazing. Oh my god, it's out of water, bro. That's. Now she's gonna hit it. Yeah, I gotta go add water. Look at that. Dude, I'm surprised the pump didn't break. Well, thank you for reminding me, little kitty, that I gotta fill it up.
Here, Mom, save my money.
Get it,
Here,
girl.
Mom.
Get it.
Money.
Get it.
I just gonna make Mom money.
Dude, this is too funny.